Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, let's talk about the fraction technique. So there are four fundamental operations. We have multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So without further ado, let's start to solve. We have multiplication. Okay, now we're going to solve 3/4 times 5 over 6. So we have 4 times 6, 24. Then numerator to numerator, 3 times 5, 15. Next, we have division. We're going to use the butterfly method. Okay, we have 2 times 7. We have 14 put in the numerator. Then 3 times 9, 27. You put in the denominator. So this is the final answer, 14 over 27. Next, we have addition. So the same process, 1 times 4, put in the numerator, then 3 times 5, 15. So copy, addition or plus, time you put 15 in the numerator. Then next we have 5 times 4, 20. So 4 plus 15, 19. So copy 20. So therefore 19 over 20. Next we have subtraction. 2 times 6, 12. Next, 3 times 5, 15. Copy, minus, then 15. Then 5 times 6,